Therapy for ear problems, 100% Ayurvedic oil. Great relief for people suffering from buzzing and ringing of ears. No more sleepless nights and irritation. Benefits of therapy for ear problems. Stops ringing, buzzing, drumming sounds generating inside the ear. It heals bacterial and fungal infection inside the ear. Keeps the ear canal free from any external debris or dust particles. Eliminates the earwax and keeps the canal free from any debris. It improves audibility and sharpness in hearing. How to use therapy for ear problems. Tilt your head or lie down. With the help of the dropper, take a bit of oil in the nozzle. Slowly put 1 to 2 drops in your ear carefully. Keep lying down or tilt your head for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day. Authenticity of therapy for ear problems. All products are manufactured in a GMP certified lab. We followed the manufacturing process as mentioned in the ancient text of Ayurveda. The manufacturing process is completely handmade, adhering to the Ayurvedic principles. Before bringing the products to you, we test each batch to ensure the efficacy and quality of the product. Therapy for ear problems, 100% Ayurvedic oil. To buy this product, kindly read details in the description box or visit www.vedicmedsayurveda.com. You can also write to us in our WhatsApp number 977 383 4318.